Hello everyone, it's Linda and Debbie from Linda's Ease.
Hello everyone.
At the Pfaff Convention, we are previewing the beautiful new Icon 2, and we have an embellishment attachment, brand new. No one has ever seen this before. It's different from the one that was on the Icon 1. They're doing cording right now, but we also have some beautiful ribbon, and wait till you see pearls and sequins. It's just amazing. There's some quilts that have been done with embellishment, and I'm gonna slide in here, and you can see that little spool on there. There's some real fun little beading that could be put with it. There's just amazing types of things that can be done. I also have a cute
Here, let me
little,
show them real quick. Over here then,
Sure.
so it's just tacking down the cording there in the shape of the design. The needle's just going straight up and down to tack down that cording, and it spins around to do what it needs to do. And here's the design. Here, do you want to push that a paintbrush button so we can see the design? No, the paintbrush. There you go. Let's close that window. So you can see that's the design. It's beautiful. It's that it's stitching out right now
really gonna be beautiful.
on this black fabric.
And look at this one, Debbie. This is done with ribbon. I mean, just a little pin or attachment that you could put on a garment or a decorative quilt. I mean, there's just some
Using
amazing.
water-soluble stabilizer,
Right.
of course, in the hoop.
Yeah. I mean, we've just seen so many wonderful new samples you just wouldn't even imagine. We're going to try and take some pictures and add to this video so you can really see what it is. This happens to be the Aurora Purple, which is the main color that the Icon comes with. But we still have a limited amount, very limited, of the Winter White, the Northern Lights, and then we also have, Debbie, I think
dusk.
you ordered the dusk,
Dusk
right? Which
fabric.
it's actually got a fabric covering up here. So we hope you'll come in and see us, and we are going to have a special event, so look for it. Thanks, everyone.
Absolutely. Thank you, everyone. So here we're standing in front of a backdrop of a large version of the embellish accessory.
Look at this. If you can look at this is wound. This is an idea of what the bobbin can be wound with
With spool. The spool
pearls.
can be wound with beads like that.
I mean,
And then
just
it goes
amazing
through the
things.
unit.
And then I want to go in before we have to get to class.
Yeah, we have to go to class. Sorry, guys.
And what I want to do is I want to show them some of the garments because they are stunning. There is a garment for each one of the limited colors. There's the Winter White, the Northern Lights, the Dusk, and then the Purple Aurora, which it's hard to choose, but they're limited.
Beautiful.
Yeah, the special editions will no longer be made. Those of you that pre-ordered, we pre-ordered a few, so come and see us.
Okay.
We'll finish up by showing you some other pictures.
Sure, absolutely. Sure.
Now this is ribbon. That is the new embellisher. This is a chenille. All of this work has been done on the new embellishment attachment that comes during our big special with the machine. There are a limited amount of those, so if you're thinking about an Icon 2, boy, it's time to get in there and really, really look at it. And then let's do that over here too, Debbie, because this chair is just so stunning.
Gorgeous.
It looks like, well, it is a designer chair. It looks like something that you would pay at least $4,000 or $5,000 for. And when you get into a designer chair, that is what happens. Now they've been embroidered with the fabric, and then they've been upholstered. So you are really looking at some wonderful, wonderful looks.
What's behind you over there too?
Behind me,
it looks like they stopped what they were doing, but look at this hoop right here on this chair.
Right. This is actually working with the embellishment also. And you can see how beautiful it is with the different
It's yarn.
design and yarn, right? And then let's look up some of the works. This is actually the Purple Aurora.
They just finished this design.
Yep.
And it's in the hoop right here.
Okay, and I'll take that off. So then if you want to come back to the screen, and you will see that we have, look at how I can move this so easily. And this is the design that she has been sewing on the machine. Look at how gorgeous it is.
It is beautiful.
A really, really pretty look. So,
and there is the embellishment attachment right there in the box.
I'm going to walk over here, Debbie. I don't know if you can
sure, I can
follow me, but
sure.
I want them to see this gorgeous garment here. Look at this. It's all done in just a stunning look. You can see this.
It's like a
is some
kimono
of the
robe,
chenille,
or it's
right.
a kimono.
Right, the jumpsuits are
Oh,
so
jumpsuit.
popular again, and that is what has been sewn in white. I mean, talk about a beautiful
pretty.
look. It's a definite designer look. And then you can see on here that some of the real glitzy work has been put onto the quilt, which I think is, again, just stunning. So we are really looking at a beautiful, now Debbie, this is the Creative
I showed them,
Embellishment Attachment.
Yeah, that's the box.
Yep, and that's, we've got some videos where we were in class where we have been working on this, and it is one of the coolest things to be able to see how it rotates.
Absolutely.
So we'd love to have you come. Don't forget, we're having a great big opening on the new icon too. So give us a call or come see us soon, and we will get you into one too. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, bye.
Then I have another thing I want to show them because this is just exquisite. This is a box that is going to come with the icon too.
Yeah, that was it.
Was
You
it
open it up like
there
that.
we go. And
there's
there's
a-
rulers, and underneath there is a
Turning cutting
cutting
mat.
board special one.
Yeah,
And
well, I wanted
then-
to show peekaboo into this basket right here, because look at all these
Okay.
fun yarns that you can tack down using that embellishment attachment on the machine. What else do you have here? Ooh.
And this is what we did with some of those yarns.
So this is cording,
just-
actually. Isn't that beautiful? We were
That's
watching that
exquisite.
yesterday as it was stitching out.
Yeah,
And that was the spool of this one here.
And you
that
want to
was
see
this guy
something else that
that was
looks
put on
just
there.
stunning? Look at this. There's your butterfly with, this is ribbon, this is chenille ribbon, beading all the way around it. And then,
And
of
then
course,
just
the
a
regular,
background embroidery design.
Yeah.
Beautiful work.
and just a little banner.
And then
that
I
is
was going to
just
show the guy
exquisite.
over here who's beautiful, this head of the lion.
He's one of my favorite. And again, if you can see the detail on here, this is all ribbon work that is done. This whole entire piece took just a minimal amount of time because it was all done in this embellishment. Then this is just a fun thing to show you the quilting with some of the new designs. There's another one under here that I think
Wow.
is just
They're
spectacular.
built-in designs, you guys, into the icon
Spiral,
too.
and then there's
Well,
a
Built
another
into
little
the
one.
library, right?
Right.
Uh-oh,
Oh,
chocolate.
Oh,
Chocolate.
good.
If you find it, you can have it.
So we really had, and then if
Let's
you
show
can
this
step
dress over
up
here. I want to show this dress.
Okay, this is again a beautiful silk dress that has been made on the icon, and look at this
Beading.
very subtle,
And
very
it's
subtle,
tone on
and-
tone.
Yep, and then look at down the hip with a beautiful,
Wow.
all the way down the bottom.
Wow.
Isn't that just stunning?
That is a I want that
And again,
gown.
this is the picture of we've shown that in a few other videos with, you see how it just automatically goes over the beads. So it's
That's
just
correct.
an amazing piece of equipment that we're just thrilled to be able to have.
Oh, I want this dress. Isn't this a beautiful dress? Gorgeous dress.
Now I have two more things that I want to show.
Okay, some more
Actually,
yarn.
three. Yep, that's more yarn with the cording.
Oh, wow, is that beautiful
Look at
embellishment?
this. More yarn.
More yarn.
And then these are just two quick little things. Ribbon, white and blue.
Yes. And then a unicorn with someone's name.
Isn't that
Oh,
gorgeous?
and then there was another thing over here, real quick. Slide over here. Up here, look at the rainy springtime scene up here. If you can see, if I can get in there, you've got some beads. Again, the rain up on top is made of beads. And you've got a puddle down below made of ribbon and beads. Is that the cutest or what? And then this one over here again is a thicker yarn. And some cording. The gold is like a cording.
So give us a call. We are just so excited about our Icon 2, and we have just heard that we are going to have a very, very special event with one of the Pfaff educators, one of the top educators in May. And we
Moving the
can't
camera.
wait. So check our website.
May 27th and
You wanna put it
28th,
on?
we think those are the dates. Yeah, Friday and
somewhere-
Saturday.
Yeah, somewhere at the end of May. So look at our calendar. You'll see what we're doing. And come take a look at this new machine.